What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video tonight. We're going to be doing a card, a hover card. So as you can tell, there is Superman right here. You know, so when you hover, it just gives you the content, the text on the left, and then he hovers to the right, right? So this is what we're going to be accomplishing tonight. And also there is a linear gradient color in the back also. Yeah, so we're going to be doing this, so using more CSS. So hopefully you guys like the video, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos. All right, so let's start. So this is just the final product right here. Okay, cool, let's do it. Okay, so I got me my HTML ready to go. So let's start with the body. So we're going to have a div, and then we're going to have a class name of card, and then inside this div, inside this card main container, there's going to be two small containers of two children. Okay, um, we're going to have the content, class content, and also we're going to have the image right here. Yeah. Okay, so all right, so we got that. So let's go ahead and do the content. So let's do a h2. We're going to have Superman, and then we're going to have a p tag. We're going to put some dummy text, which I already have right here. Let me just paste it. Okay, cool, got it. And now also we have the a tag right here, so I'm going to put read more. Okay, and let's add a picture, Superman, the png. Let's save that and let's see what we have in our browser. Okay, that's what we have right there. Cool. All right, let's keep on doing this. Okay, let's work now on the style. So let's do that. We're going to start with the body. Going to have a margin. The margin is 0. Then we have a height of 100 view height. Then we have display. We're going to use flexbox. So we have flex. Then we have justify content. That's right there. And we're going to use center. Next one, we're going to go align items. Right there, we're going to use center. And then we have font family, which is right there. Scale that, and we're going to use sans serif, which is right there. Okay, that's too many. We only need that. Okay, let's save that. Let's target now the card. So let's do position. We're going to use positioning here. We're going to do relative. Okay, and then we have width 500 pixels. Then we have a height of 300 pixels. Then we have display. We got flex. Then we got line items. So we're going to do center. And then we have background. background. I got some line of code right here. Let me just get the background, paste it right here, and we have it. Okay, so with that, also we have border radius. We're going to do 20 pixels. Okay, let's save that and see what we have so far. Cool. Cool, that's what we have. Alright, so we're using flex. Flexbox, which display flex, is actually putting the content and the image right sit to each other, next to each other. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So we need some padding on the content, so let's target that. So the background is right there. Okay, cool. But my background is inside my my card, which is fine. That's what we wanted. But we want it just to coming up a little bit more. Okay, so let's go back and do that. So we did a card. So now let's target the image, because that's what we need. We're going to do position. So we're going to do absolute. Then we're going to do bottom. It's going to be 0. Then from the left, we want 50%. Then we want transform, translate, X, 50%. Transform. Yeah, I don't need that S at the end. And then we have height. We want 400 pixels. Okay. We want that the height on our card is 300 pixels. We're going 400 is going to be taller than the card. That's what we want. Transition. We're going to use a transition right here. Half a second. Why? Let's save that. Let's see what we have. Okay, that's what we want. He's in the middle, and then height is 400. You know, it's bigger than the card. Okay, cool. Doesn't do anything yet. All right, so we got our image right there. So let's go back. Let's keep targeting the more stuff. So let's target still the card, but we're going to do hover. I'm going to hover the image. It's going to be a height, so 450 pixels. That's how much is going to, when you hover, is going to come up that big, 450 pixels. Left, from the left, going to be 20%. I mean 80%. Okay, if we save that, let's see what we have. Okay, cool. That's what we want. Okay, let's keep doing this. So now let's target the content. So right here we have position, got relative, we got a width, it's going to be 40%, from left, it's going to be 20%, and then we want color, going to be white, and then we have text transform, text transform, capitalize, capitalize, okay, transition 0.5 seconds, and then we're going to let's see what we have so far. Let's save that and see. Okay, cool. So we want to hide this content for now. So this is what we have to do. If we use opacity 0, that will hide the text, the content right here. Yeah, it's all gone. Cool. Supermod is playing right here. Okay, let's keep on doing this. So we do cart again, hover, but this time we're going to do the content. So we want, when we hover the content, it's going to be a left, from the left it's going to be 5%, and then we have opacity, which means it's going to come up, it's going to appear to 1, right? Now, so let's see, when we hover, ooh, oh, I didn't refresh. See? Cool. Cool. Alright. Now let's go ahead and target the selectors H2. We need the margin. It's going to be 0. We need the padding. It's going to be 0. Okay. Now we go to P. For the paragraph, we got margin, bottom, and then we want 20 pixels right here. Okay. And then we want to target the links now, the A tag. Okay. So you want position right here, position. Position, we need the relative, then we need display, inline block right there. Then we have color. We're going to use this color right here, and we're going to use padding, top and bottom is going to be 5 pixels, and then right and left is going to be 10 pixels right here. Okay, now we want the background, also going to be white, and then we want the text decoration to be none, so there's going to be no lines underneath, and then we want the border, radius for that A tag, which is going to be 10 pixels. So let's save that and see what we have. Oh yeah, so there's something. Oh, did I refresh? I didn't refresh. Yeah, I did refresh. Did I save? Let's see. Okay, let's see. I did save. That worked. Let's see what's happening. Why is not giving me that? Let's take a look in here. I think I mistyped something that is not working. Let's see, what did I do wrong? Okay, let's take a look, because that happens a lot. When you are programming or doing stuff. So let's see. margin left, opacity 1, h1 margin 0, padding 0, margin bottom, okay, 20 pixels, position, we have relative, display, inline block, color, padding 5, 10 pixels, background white, text decoration on, border radius. So let me see what's going on. Did I let me take a look, because that should work. Okay, checking. Let's start from the top and see what's going on. So margin, I know there is something, it's not working. Content center, transfer is card positioning, the relative width. Oh yeah, there is one typo right here. Maybe that could be. You never know. Let's see it. No, it's not that one. Okay, let's keep on going through and checking. Center. Linear gradient. Border radius 20 pixels. Bottom left percent. Transform. Did that spell it right? Yeah, that's transform. That's good. Translate X. Okay. Height, I spell it right because I spell it wrong all the time. Transition 0.5 seconds. Okay, car hover image. Height 450. Left you got 80%. Okay, let's go to the content. Yeah, see, that's my issue right here. I knew it right there. It was a typo, so that should fix it. Yeah, see, it was that. All right, guys. So hopefully you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So we're going to try to put a video every single day for a while. Let's see if I can do it. That's the goal. All right, guys. Have a good night, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Okay. Bye bye.